Okay, y'all, it's time for me to finish this mega haul, this huge hauls, a combination of different sales that went on. This particular part of the video is on the I think it was 550 slash 650 sale, like the fine fragrance mist, the lotions, things like that. I also have another candle haul, the $12.95 candles, as well as like weeks ago, probably almost a month ago, when they had the single wick sale. I never showed y'all that stuff. So this is going to be a little mixture of a lot of sales. So I wanted to get this video out, so here it is. This is the part 2 of the other mega haul. So let's get started. What do y'all think about the new bags? Leave that down in the comments. What is your opinion about the new bags? Do y'all like these, or do y'all like the old bags, or do you like this bag better? Which bag is your favorite? Of course, these are thicker and more heavy duty. And of course, this is one of their like recyclable bags. So, you know, it's good that they're trying to use recycled materials. So that's really good. I actually kind of like them. And I think we like them because it's a new style. So leave that down in the comments. Let me know what you think about these new bags. Yes. So let's get started. Shout out to all my MVP riders. Thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for coming through and watching my video, because y'all know your girl always got something to talk about. So the first items, I think this was on that lotion sale, the $6.95. I told y'all I wanted this stuff, so the body butters wasn't included in this particular sale. So yeah, I grabbed the water. Hopefully you can see it. I grabbed 2 of the water ultra hydration lotion. I grabbed 2 of those. Love this whole collection. Love this line, y'all. So nice. I don't even know if I grabbed this one with this sale or another sale. I don't know, but I'm just going to show y'all. I think I just recently grabbed this one because they did do a flash sale, like a $5.95, and I think I did use a coupon, and I got these for like maybe $4 or something. So yeah, I grabbed the sensitive skin one, and I think this one was one of the ones that was like $6.50, $5.50 deal. So yeah, grab another Cocoa Shea lotion. And again, with that moisturizing sale, I did grab the body wash, the moisturizing body wash. I think I just recently grabbed this one not too long ago because I wanted to give it a try. Y'all do know they just recently did the body butters, and your girl, you already know I was gonna get more of the body butter. So yes, I just recently got these. This is the sensitive skin one. Like, that pink packaging is so nice. Love that pink packaging. And I grabbed another Cocoa Shea body butter. So yeah, I had to grab this collection because I absolutely love it, and every time they put this stuff on sale, I'm gonna try my best to grab it at a really good price instead of just buying it all at once, because I personally don't see this stuff going on sale like a semi-annual sale type of price. I don't see that happening. I don't even remember getting this. Why did I buy this? I don't know, y'all. I don't remember getting this, but evidently I did because I have it. So yes, I grabbed this. I don't know why, because I don't usually buy the body creams, so I'm kind of shocked that I have this. So I don't know. I don't know with that one. Okay, moving on to the fine fragrance mist. Yeah, I think it was part of that $5.50 sale. So I have the fresh vanilla blossom. I just can't believe I got that, y'all. I'm just kind of shocked at that because I really don't remember buying that. I really don't. Maybe I thought it was the moisturizing body wash. I probably need to look at my receipt. I hope I didn't pay regular price for this, because if I did, this is going back. that most definitely will go back if I pay regular price. Cozy Vanilla Bourbon, but both of them is actually really nice. Is Copper Fields. I do remember getting this one on the $5.50 sale, so yeah, I grabbed that one. I didn't grab the Sweet Whiskey or the Sunrise Woods because I already have those scents, and I kind of want to get backups when semi-annual sale come around. And then I got this, y'all, Into the Stars. I decided to grab this one because I don't have it. I don't have this, so yeah, I decided to just go ahead and grab it. I think I got this. I know I didn't buy it. I got it free with a coupon. So yeah, I decided to grab this one because that's something I did want, because it's supposed to be to a high-end fragrance. So yeah, I decided to get it to try it. And then I did grab the Luminous perfume. I told y'all I got this on one of my live streams on the Let's Talk About It. I told y'all I was going to get this. Then on another sale, I grabbed the Moonlit Martini. I think this was one of the $5.50 sales, one of the recent sales. I grabbed that one. A birthday reward, I grabbed Sunrise Woods. This was a coupon. Cozy Vanilla Bourbon. Decided to grab it in the the travel size, the minis. Another part of the body butter sale. I wanted to try this Mimosa and Spearmint, because on the last body butter sale, I seen a lot of people getting this, and I'm like, am I missing something? So let me try this scent and see if I like it. I actually haven't smelled it yet. So yeah, I decided to just go ahead and grab this one just to see what it's like. Y'all know I ride for their aromatherapy. I absolutely love it. So yeah, I grabbed that one as well. Let me smell this. Yeah, this is a fresh, clean scent. Leave down in the comments, have you tried this one yet? Have you tried this one yet? Because this is my first time. I don't even have it in any forms, I don't believe. So yeah, that's that. Now, moving on. Okay, yeah, I'm assuming there was another wallflower sale, and that's when I grabbed the Vanilla Musk, and I grabbed 3 Vanilla Musk, and I also grabbed, which I'm using now, but yes, Vetiver Glow, and I'm actually using that one. Oceanside Palm, and the last one is Apricot Green Fig. Well, this was actually before any of these sales, but they had the single wicks for $5.95, I believe, and I grabbed a salted butterscotch, cranberry orange seltzer. So good. This candle is so good. I bought it last year, and this is from this year. I really wanted this packaging, because y'all know I am crazy for the marble print. I love this packaging. It's so nice. Love that packaging. Bourbon Maple. Grab 2 of those, because like I said, I really wanted this packaging. I'm a package junkie, and it's horrible that I'm a package junkie, because I really already have both of those candles, well, all of those candles. Sweet Whiskey. Yes, Sweet Whiskey in that marble packaging. Loving it. Loving it, y'all. I had to grab this packaging. So if y'all remember when they did this sale, this $5.95, I think it was like in August, the end of August is when they did this sale. So that's when I grabbed these. It's just that I never showed y'all I grabbed them. The last sale is the $12.95. And as y'all did know, I did show y'all half of the $12.95 stuff I got, but this is the other few candles I got. I got Vaniver Glow. Can't even see there go the label. Love this orange. It's so nice. And then I got Oceanside Palms. If you seen my Instagram reel, you seen when I had post all of these candles over there. That's the same time they did the limited edition candles, that Radiant Red Maple. And I actually, with this collection, I actually got the Tiki Beach candle as well, but I exchanged it for another pumpkin spice latte and a twisted peppermint, because the store I went to, they still had 7. I think they had like 3. Well, I guess they had 4 and 4. And when I bought one, took them down to 7. Okay, y'all. I had to come back. I forgot this bag. This is more $12.95 candles. Sorry, y'all. Forgot. Here we go. Pumpkin spice latte and twisted peppermint. I don't know how I forgot this bag. And this is Midnight Cocktails. Yes, I wanted to grab another one of these because this is actually sold out in my area. Here is the last candle. Yes, I love this scent. This Salted Amber and Vaniver. This is so good. Leave in the comments, what do you feel? How do you feel about this candle? I absolutely love this scent. No, it's not a powerhouse, but this is a very relaxing, nice scent. I love this scent. So yeah, I really want to grab a few more because I think I only have like 3, well, 2.5, because I'm actually done with the very first one I got, and I bought a backup, and then I just bought this one. So yeah, I kind of want to grab a few more of these. I think they're almost sold out, so I don't know, but I do want to grab more. So I think that's everything, y'all. I think that's everything. I understand that this was a huge haul of many sale items that I had got and just never did the videos on them because, again, y'all know I was sick and I couldn't record. So I'm just trying to show y'all everything that I got over those sales. That's the reason why I call this a mega haul, because I know it's a lot of stuff. I did not purchase all of this stuff at one time. This is like what, about 6 different sales. That's what this is. It's about 6 different sales. That's how I accumulated all of this stuff. And like I said, I'm just now doing the videos. So yeah, leave a comment down in the bottom about any and everything in this video. Have you tried any of this stuff? What is your opinion about any of these items? Leave that down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Follow me on all of my social media platforms. Use or follow my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick. All that stuff do help your girl out. Did I shout out my MVP riders? Shout out to my MVP riders. Thank you for always holding me down. Thank you for always having my back. Thank you for always coming through and watching any and everything I post. I truly appreciate that. If you are not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. If you keep coming back and watching my videos, just please subscribe to the channel. So that's gonna be the end of this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. All right, peace.